6/8 time. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. So the slow 6/8 time can be beautiful, wonderful, everything like that. But when we speed it up, we can get more dancing. That's a fast 6/8. That's a 6/8, or at least has that 6/8 feeling. So a lot of songs that we use that are really up tempo can be in the 6/8 time and give us that propulsion forward. So let's look at 104. Learning to count in fast 6/8 time. Same idea as what we did in slow, but you might want to use the lolly method now, because it's going to be a whole lot easier. We're going to listen to it and count it, and then we're going to play it.
Learning to count in fast 6/8 time.
1 lolly, 2 lolly, 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 1 lee, 2 lee, 1. Pretty fast. So when counting in fast 6/8 time, you've really got to make sure that you're utilizing that lolly feel, because if you're not, you're probably going to get really far behind. The beat changes to this. Bum, bum, ba 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 ba. So keeping up with that feeling is going to be paramount. Hooks in 6/8. Now, as you've probably found, playing 6/8, and especially that quarter note, eighth note, your bow gets a little off, or that eighth note really starts popping out. So to combat this, we will often use a lot of slurring and hook bows, because that way we can even out the sound. So 105 is hooks in 6/8, and it is fast. We're using that faster feeling. You're going to be stopping the bow on the staccato. So they should all sound the same. Measure 3, though, watch out. It's no longer hooked. Here we go. 105, count, and then we're going to play.
Hooks in 6/8 time.
1 lee, 2 lee, 1 lee, 2 lee, 1 lee, 2 lee, 1 2. Row, row, row your boat ashore. Now this is going to be a duet. What I would like you to do is to start with the melody, and then on the second time through, when you do the repeat, go to the harmony. Okay? So we've got slurs, we've got some hooks, we've got tons of stuff. So just really pay attention, make sure that you're getting right in there and that you've got that bow moving. Here we go.
Row, row, row your boat, duet.
1 2 1 lee, 2 1 lee, 2 lee, 1 rest. 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 1 lolly, 2 lolly, 1 lee, 2 lee, 1 switch. 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 lee, 2 lee, 1. So by now you should be feeling pretty good about 6/8 time in the slow tempo and fast tempo. So you've also heard a couple of examples of this style. Those two pieces I played in this faster section, what were they? Do you have any idea? I bet they sounded pretty familiar. Now, keep up the good work, keep practicing, get this idea into your fingers and your bow, because if we have this 6/8, then we can really utilize it in the future for more Irish and Scottish types of pieces that can have that nice dancing and lively feel.